All right, coaching clients, who are we here with today? We're with Samantha Kane, real estate agent at Sales State Coastal. I just want to show you what it looks like for this kind of setup. What were we doing today? A teleprompter, right?
Yes, so we were filming a YouTube intro video using a teleprompter, which was very helpful.
Show them what you're looking at. So we've got the ability to have the information that we put, whether we're copying and pasting from an article, we're putting some information about whatever message we're putting out, we can look directly into the camera and to be able to, I have a remote, but I'm using one hand right now to show you a scroll. You can change the speed, you can change the font, you can change whether the color of the font, you can stop it, start it, move it up, move it down. But how did you like using the teleprompter for this YouTube intro video?
It was very helpful. Normally when I'm filming videos, I lose track of what I'm trying to say and it gets a little mumbled sometimes, but having this, I was able to go straight through the script. It went really quickly and we got it filmed in the first try.
Lights. We want to make sure that we've got our subject lit up, but you do not need to have this sort of setup. You would absolutely have a window right where I'm at right now, have some natural lighting coming through. So you do not need to have a budget for lighting right now. I highly do recommend these, and this company is great, newer. They create some awesome lighting and tripods, but I wanna show you the setup that we have today. So we've got two lights. We can use natural light, but today we're using the LED lights. We've got a basic tripod. This is around $18 here. And then we've got our camera. Now, this doesn't have to be a camera. We've got the Sony a6400 on here today with the Padcaster Parrot teleprompter, but you don't need this. I wanna tell you there's three tiers here. We could use our cell phone and put this up here. Obviously we're not gonna have a teleprompter, but today we're putting the teleprompter on our camera, and I wanna show you what that setup looks like. I've got two suggestions for you. If you're just starting out on a budget, $649, you can get an amazing camera to create with as a real estate agent, the Canon M50. This is gonna be a little step up because it's gonna be around the $1,000 range. This is a Sony a6400. I've got a Rode mic on here that is actually going into the side, and I've got the Parrot teleprompter that is going to use our phone with the app to be able to have our script and everything so we can easily get through our videos. Let's give them a run through. You're a professional at this. Let's do it. You ready? You gonna show them how it works?
All right.
Okay, so we're going to start our camera up, or your phone. Oh, I better turn it on. Use the air. So we've got our video turned on. Now, one thing I want to show you about the a6400 is you got this flip up screen. Not only that, but I could allow Samantha to see herself as well. Looking good, huh, Samantha?
Yeah.
So that's good for your vlogging or these type of things to make sure you're in frame and all of that. But I'm helping her film today, and we've got the Parrot teleprompter. So we're going to start and hit record. We've got the microphone audio facing her. This is a shotgun mic. So it's actually going to go a little to the left, a little to the right of her. And then we're going to, by the way, there's a remote, but the battery's kind of messing up on me today. So we're just gonna hit start, and you're gonna show them how it's done.
All right.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2.
Hi, my name is Samantha Kane. I'm your local guide to St. Pete and Tampa Bay.
Yeah, woo! She crushed it. That was one take, all the pressure. So we're gonna stop now. We have our camera on 1080 so that we're going to be able to have a smaller file, but still gonna look good. It's gonna be high definition quality, and we're gonna upload that to our YouTube channel. We're making an YouTube intro today. So when you have your scripts, you could get a setup like this, get a Canon M50, get a used Sony a6400. The Parrot teleprompter is gonna run you around $100. This Rode mic is around $50, and then you can get these lights. I found these on sale for $123 for the pair. But again, $0 for natural light, $0 for your cell phone, and to be able to use these scripts. But I wanted to just give you an idea of what a setup looks like for a teleprompter or just shooting video, going over a script, creating an awesome message.